Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bajan and this is SoCal Expeditions. Today's video, I wanted to bring you a video on a portable camping fire pit. You might have seen the solo stove video that I had before, and I wasn't too happy with the solo stove just because A, it was banned 6 months out of the year, it chewed through wood, I always smelled like smoke, and it was really big to carry around. So I spent some time on Amazon and other websites looking at what would be the best portable propane fire pit that I could buy. And I believe I found the right one that is easy to transport, carry, and bring with you no matter if you live in an RV, motorhome, or you're just an adventure enthusiast just like I am. Before jumping into this video, please remember to hit that red subscribe button. You can stay up to date with all the future videos just like this one. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. We're gonna have an extremely comprehensive owner's manual, which is gonna have everything you need, as well as a warranty card and welcome card. We're gonna pull out the top cover lid, I believe. This is the travel cover for it. Very nice plated piece right here to show that it's from Outland Living. Very nice. We're gonna have the lava rocks. Bring those out. That is a perfect size. It's 14 inches by 14 inches by 9. So this is literally perfect because it fits places and it's square. Instead of that giant solo stove, which was circle and really hard to fit, this I feel like is gonna do really well for me. And then deep down in the box, we have some more lava rocks, as well as a stand for the fire pit itself to elevate it off the ground. And it looks like we have the straps for the carrying handle. Like this hose and regulator setup is 10 feet long. That way you can keep your propane tank away from the actual unit itself, which is really good because I use a 6-pound propane tank. This is a Worthington tank and it has done extremely well for me. I will probably upgrade to a little bit bigger of a tank if I'm gonna be using this propane fire pit often. So taking a look at the knob switch that we're gonna have, it seems that there is no ignite switch. So you're not gonna have an automatic ignite. So you're gonna need a barbecue lighter to get this thing started. So it says that it comes with 3 bags and then 1 spare bag. And this one is labeled spare bag. And then there's 3 mediums. So I don't know if you're supposed to get a large, but I didn't, but that doesn't matter. So we're gonna go ahead and start pouring these things in there. Oh yes. First tip of advice, don't just pour the bag in there because there's a bunch of small particles of rocks that have just been ground down from shipping, and it actually just ends up getting all over your brand new propane fire pit. So instead, I'll resort to using my hand. The first thing to do before hooking it up, make sure that the switch is in the off position. Then you can go ahead and grab the other hose. Okay, you'd like to go back on there. And go ahead and just screw this on. Now we're going to take this and move it away from the fire. We're going to slowly open this, just like that. Going to come over here, grab the lighter because there's no auto ignition, which is kind of a bummer, but oh well. And we're just going to slowly open this up. I can hear the propane start to rush in. Slowly begin to turn it on. And bring it all the way to full. This is so much easier than a regular wood fire. That was incredibly easy. And it's already hot. Nice. Let's let it warm up and see how it does. Things I already like about it. My feet are warm. It's literally hitting my knees perfectly. This is exactly what I wanted from a propane fire pit. Also, it doesn't smell. I don't smell at all like a bonfire. If you're living in a van or motorhome or just traveling, sometimes if all your clothes begin smelling like bonfire, it could get kind of annoying. And then you have to go do laundry. So with this, I don't smell. 14 by 14 by 9 inches tall, I think that this is perfect. For me, And as the lava rocks are still continuing to heat up, and I know that I have a spare bag, I think I'm gonna be set traveling with this and keeping it in the Vagabond full time in the Ram. I've also noticed that with a propane fire pit, you don't have constant smoke in your eyes, which is one of the best things. I can stand directly over this and nothing. Instead of always getting smoked out like a regular fire pit, this one's perfect for me because I don't need to. I've also done the cost analysis on a bundle of wood versus a 20-pound propane tank and refilling it, and you're spending more on just buying wood than refilling a propane tank. This puts out 58,000 BTUs. Okay, the lava rocks is getting hot. I gotta scoot back. This thing puts out some serious heat. The entire side of the top bowl, you're gonna have this flame logo. And not only does it look cool, but the flame logo also helps bring heat out of these holes and directly to your feet. With the angle that I'm sitting at and sitting in pretty much any camping chair, my knees are gonna stay warm. And that, again, is one of the main things for me when it comes to camping. I feel like this is a lot safer, especially in California where fire bans do occur. I won't incur that problem with this propane fire pit. It's hot. I went ahead and turned down the flame just a tiny bit. It still makes a tiny hissing noise at a low fire setting, or low flame setting, I should say, but it's nothing close to the ones that I've heard. The only portable propane fire pit that I've heard that was good so far was the Campfire in a Can. But the Little Red and Big Red, they both hiss probably 5 times as loud as this. Overall, I think this has to be one of the best propane fire pits that I've seen and I've gotten a chance to use. And I will be keeping this one, unlike the Solo Stove. So when you want to shut this off, it's just like a barbecue. You want to go to the source, which is the propane bottle, shut that off, and okay, that shut off instantly. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I can go ahead, switch this to off, just let it cool down, and we'll throw the carrying case on it and see how it does. Around 10 to 15 minutes now, we let it completely cool down. We're gonna throw the lid on. Super easy, set the lid up top. Then this is gonna be a 4-way strap. So I'm gonna do Outland Living with Outland Living facing out that way. One thing I wish is that these buckles, or the hooks to attach into the slots, are kind of a pain. I feel like this could have been designed better, but I'm not complaining too much. So I'm gonna do one side to the other, and then left to right. Left side hooked, one more side here, and they do have a little bit of elasticity to them to help them stretch, which is nice. Get that one all the way down. There you go. Just grab it and pick it up. Thank you for watching my initial impressions on the Outland Living 14-inch portable propane fire pit. I'm definitely going to be bringing this piece of gear around with me, and I'm not going to have to worry about those fire bans anymore. The link is going to be in the description if you'd like to purchase this fire pit. Go check it out down there. I want to wish you guys a happy holidays, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you want to subscribe, go ahead and do so too so you can stay up to date with all the future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. What happened?
Nope. Don't fall.